WTI futures opened this session meandering around the flat line without a whole lot of conviction. News flow overnight from China, the first being perhaps renewed lockdowns or more COVID coming out of that country, but also the People's Bank of China cut their 5-year lending rate by 15 basis points. 1-year lending rate was left alone. Many are thinking it's trying to help the stubborn property market. Also, traders looking for any kind of news flow from the Eurozone, especially the EU, and a potentially softer stance with regards to Russian exports of crude oil. Any other news flow with regards to policy, global markets, definitely front and center at this point. We get into the bulk of our session, and the same thing applied to price action, fairly benign, volatile trading range, but a very tight one. AAA came out. It's a driving season for Memorial Day weekend. They're expecting up 8.3% year over year compared to 2017, and 3 million people are projected to be flying. That's better than what we saw Memorial Day in 2019. Oil traders continue to look at the U.S. dollar. That's come off a little bit from its 2-week lows. Also, the equity market, which big expiration today and been struggling into the afternoon. That said, we also heard news flow from Vortexta with 7-day tankers at sea being stationary, up 11%. That's construed to be bearish for WTI. Now, looking at options, I look at CME Group CVOL, looking at July, trading about the 25th percentile. At the money vols are slightly lower, although skew is higher today. Option volume fairly spread out, but seeing notable volume with the 110 half call, also the 108 half put. Lastly, looking at CME Group E-Micro Mini WTI futures, volume there continues to be strong. Yesterday, we saw a volume of 145,588, open interest of 17,664.